equation, we must do these 4 steps. First, the verification. Second, the induction of hypothesis. Third is the proof of induction. And lastly, the conclusion.
So, the first example in mathematical induction is the summation of 7i minus 5 can be written as n times the quantity 7n minus 3 over 2 for all positive integers. So, let's substitute 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the end of the equation. So, the answer will be 2 plus 9 plus 16 plus 23 plus 30 and so on plus 7n minus 5 is equals to the n times the quantity 7n minus 2 over 2.
So, we will do the first step, the verification. So, in order for us to verify, we will substitute the positive integers, which is the 1 and 2. So we will substitute 1, which is the positive integer, and we will use the first term, which is 2, and we will substitute all n to 1. And the answer for this is 2 is equal to 2, which is true. So the second one is positive integer 2. We will use the first and second term, 2 plus 9, then we will substitute n to 2, which is the answer is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11, which is true.
Now that we are done with the verification, we are now going to move on to the second step, which is the induction of hypothesis. Basically, in the induction of hypothesis, we're just going to assume that n is equal to k. So n times 7n minus 3 all over 2 is now going to be k times 7k minus 3 all over 2. After that, we're going to look for the second term. The second term is going to come from 7i minus 5. We're going to change I to k plus 1. And if we solve that, 7 times k plus 1 minus 5, the final answer is going to be 7k plus 2, which is now our next term.
So we are done now in the first and second step, which is the verification and the induction of hypothesis. So we are now moving on the proof of induction. So in this step, we must add the next term and substitute k plus 1 in this equation. So first, we will use this equation and add the next term, which is 7k plus 2. Second, in this term, we will put 2 over 2 in this term to be equal to this. And distribute k to 7k minus 3 and 2 to 7k plus 2. And the answer will be 7k squared minus 3k plus 4k plus 4 over 2. And the final answer will be 7k squared plus 11k plus 4 over 2. So the next step will be the substitution of k plus 1 to the end of this equation. So k plus 1 times the quantity 7k plus 1 minus 3 over 2. Distribute 7 to k plus 1. And the answer will be k plus 1 times the quantity 7k plus 4 over 2. So in this step, we will use the FOIL method. And there will be an answer of 7k squared plus 4k plus 7k plus 4 over 2. And the final answer will be 7k squared plus 11k plus 4 over 2.
Last step is the conclusion. We can conclude that the statement of the summation of 7i minus 5 is equal to n times the quantity of 7n minus 3 over 2 is true for all positive integers.